Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to start out with this little ammo pickup. Not really a whole lot going on, but let's just go on and start out right over here with this Monarch wing and clay high velocity 12 gauge 2 3/4 1350 feet per second 1 ounce number 8 shot. Got these at Academy and these were $6.99. Then went on and picked up another big box of this. Dove season's gonna be here and can't nobody find anything to hunt with. That's kind of why we're picking these up a little at a time. But then at Academy, $28.99, 12 gauge, 2 3/4, 1/8 ounce, number 8 shot. That will be pretty good for some plinking stuff. Then we hit big at Royal King once again. Got 2 500 round packs of the 22 Thunderbolts. These were $36.99. And we also went on and got some more of the Wolf double aught buck. Still loving this stuff. Also, while we was there, they had the 9mm Winchester NATO 124 grain. $15.99. Then I went to Tennessee Gun Country, and this is something new right here, guys. This is, might be interesting, may not be. This is some NSI 12 gauge 9 pellet 2 3/4 double aught buck, kind of resembling our Wolf here just a little bit. Let's see what we've got in here. They are pretty interesting looking. They just, I don't know, guys. They feel a little different. But theoretically, as far as what's on the box, they should be about the same thing. Both of them are 9 pellets. But I like the Wolf. I say let's give them a test run and see how they do. What y'all think? Let's go do it. Alright guys, I'm out here with a little Mossberg 500. Here's our infamous Wolf double aught buck. This is the NSI. We're going to shoot it next. Let me get you turned around, pointed at the target. Alright, the Wolf double aught buck. Let's go. Alright, let's go take a look at it, boys. Target, man. Alright guys, here we go right here. Here's the Wolfie. We're going to take the NSI, or whatever it is. We're going to put it right up here. We'll try to. We're going to put it right in there. This is the NSI. Never shot it before. This is $10.41. I don't know. I don't know if it's better than the Wolf. But we're going to get one out of here. They're pretty. Let me get you turned around. A darker blue shell. We'll step right here, guys. Right in the noggin. Thou thought that them just felt a little weak. That one had a little juice. Here's the results on the NSI. I don't know, or the NSI. I don't know why the wad hit here. You can tell as far as the Wolf, the wad hit there and it's kind of punched around. Wad hit, I don't know, that's a little bit weird, but that's still not bad. I'm not gonna, it's hard for me to say because I'm a little bit biased toward the Wolf, but that stuff's pretty powerful out of both ends. Front and the back. I don't know. I'll let y'all decide in the comments who you think won. The exact same distance, 25 feet. That's where we shoot our pistols at. That's the Wolf. And this is the NSI, the new stuff. Y'all let me know. Take a few seconds here, answer one of the biggest questions that we do get all the time. No, we have not quit reloading. But if you think factory ammo is hard to find. You need to be trying to find some reloading components. We have plenty. We're in good shape. But I have to be able to see, as I say, the light at the tunnel before I just continuously go on and on and on, and then we're just completely out. Where I'm not bragging, I'm not boasting, I'm just being honest and truthful with you. We actually still have primers from the Obama administration, but we're having to dig into our 30 cal ammo cans, cutting zip ties right now as we speak. Powder is easy to find, projectiles, brass, all that stuff is easy to find. The biggest problem right now is the spark plugs of the whole operation. I mean, that's, you got one component, you have to have all of them. I mean, that's just, and most of y'all know that. I just want to throw that in there. But I hope you did enjoy the video. No, we've not stopped reloading. We just really had to, slow it down just a little bit until I can start seeing maybe a little more light, I guess you would say. Once I can see the light at the end of tunnels with the primers, before I really go deep down into my back stock that we've got, once we can do that, then we're going to get fired back up. So don't worry, we haven't stopped. We're just basically like everybody else. We're just kind of at a standstill, kind of waiting and see what happens. But I do appreciate you watching the video, guys. I appreciate everything you do. If you will, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless you.